and Ranking Member Boozman for holding this hearing today. I applaud your leadership in moving forward with the efforts to get Congress back on track in regular passing a water bill. I look forward to working with my colleagues as we develop this critical piece of legislation. Unfortunately, most of the projects authorized in 2007 water remains unfunded due to a lack of appropriations. I do not fault my colleagues on the Appropriations Committee. I know they have done their best to allocate any available funding towards water resource projects. However, it is hard not to blame those who submit budgets that cuts the core construction account by $341 million, or almost 17%, and the investigative account by $56 million, or 35%. I applaud the administration for making a commitment to fiscal responsibility. For far too long, we, both Republicans and Democrats, have forsaken our fiscal duties. However, it appears that in the administration's effort to rediscover fiscal order, we have lost our priorities. Just as we cannot leave a monetary debt to our children, we also cannot leave an infrastructure debt to future generations. I hope that as we write the next water bill, the administration does not continue this adversarial relationship with the Corps of Engineers and instead collaborate with us on a water bill that balances fiscal restraints and funding for projects that provide an economic benefit. Also hope to collaborate with the administration on the update of the principles and guidelines. I am concerned that the administration's draft principle forces the Corps to recommend a non-structural alternative, regardless if the non-structural option actually accomplishes the goal of the project. How does the administration plan to rectify this non-structural bias with the need to conduct important projects such as harbor deepening? This is important to my district because South Carolina is dependent upon the Port of Charleston. This resource is responsible for $44.8 billion in total economic output and over 260,000 jobs across our state. A key component in the Port of Charleston's success is its harbor depth. However, even its 45-foot depth is only able to accommodate deep draft ships under the most optimal conditions. This will have a negative impact on South Carolina's economy as these larger ships are set to dominate world trade routes. I hope that Mr. Brown from the Corps of Engineers will explain to the committee how the update to the principles and guidelines will not encumber projects such as the Charleston Harbor upgrade during his testimony. And thank you, Madam Chair, and I yield back.
Thank you very much.